Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at Apple Music notifications of friends follow you in your playlist on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, open up your Apple Music, then tap on Listen Now tab at the bottom. Next, tap on your profile icon. In here, tap on Notifications, and then go down to the friend activity option right here. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on your Apple Music notifications for friend activity. So you will get notifications when friends follow you in your playlist or when they are listening to your playlist. And that's it. If you do not want to get notifications, you can switch it off. And that's it. After you can tap on done at the top to get out of the settings page, and you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.